Well, as a result of a mix-up on our room, we got a little better room. A bit of an upgrade, I'd say.
Get no charge air and option package values on Jeep Cherokee Sport. Even the fun-loving Jeep Wrangler has a great deal.
Has a shower, whirlpool tub, all marble walls, hair dryer, everything. View of the strip from our room at the Riviera. A little bit of a storm out here now. Yeah, but a storm out here. How'd you like to be working up there? Hotel lobby of the Luxor, which is shaped like a pyramid. Ago, Mommy, well, 2.5, almost 3 hours ago, Mommy started playing that machine. She's like about $300 or $400 ahead, but she's still at it. The Luxor hotel that we were just in.
1995 Geo Tracker convertible on our naughty nickel slot machines.
Dropping the Prince, have you be dropping gold onto the deck.
Captain! British man of war passing Skull Point! Bearing down off the starboard beam! Aye, Captain! She's fully rigged! 14 guns on her! Captain! Sail ho! Pirates unloading contraband on the dock! The scurvy cutthroats and the cheap...
Clear, Flash.
All right, Captain. Easy. Into port.
Mr. Boswell. Back into the hole. We don't need them getting wind of our flag. At the expense of the English cause. Then raise the gun ports for that. And let's have out. Please. Mr. Spice, cannon and small arms, if you please, and make ready. Fire number 4 and 5, and set for a broadside. It's their powder kegs will be wanting to smash. So avast your whiting and lead into it, me lads. This here's what we got him on came for. Right then, let her go. That'll teach the cheeky scoundrels. Yes, perhaps next time we'll be more obedient. Royal Highness. Captain! All hands! Man the approach! Captain! Taking water on the prow! She's going down by the stern also!
Alright, let's stop
All
it.
hands! Avast!
Okay. Valley to Fire State Park in Nevada, and Lake Mead out in the distance. They're very tiny, but they're pretty. If they didn't stop, you wouldn't see all these little flowers.
Yeah, long distance for Mike Moore.
More local wildflowers. Mead. spot this is. Big carp. There aren't any fish here, hon? No. Mommy's got the fish fighting with the ducks.
First, our head rider, Andrea Spencer, on Neapolitano Romanza. Rider Kate Charlton on Conversano Reina. Rider Misha Kazimov on Maestoso Reina. Rider Christy aids his direction by the balance of her seat and a gentle touch of the lower legs. Now the trot, which is of course a bit brisker, the count is 1-2, 1-2, 2 legs moving at all times. You'll notice the horse is working on diagonally opposite hooves. 3 basic gaits every young horse must master: the walk, the trot, and the canter. Thank you, Suzanne. Rhythm while turning in place. Now, they make it look easy, but it's deceptively complex, requiring a subtle balance of hand and leg cues from the rider to the stallion. We'll see them. Once again, the very graceful canter pirouette. Thank you, Marcus. Moving forward now, that's exactly what Susanna and her stallion return to show us now. This is the march of a king or battlefield commander, popular on the parade grounds of the Renaissance.